Hi everybody, so now I'm doing another unboxing, and this is a package from Aurifil. I love Aurifil threads. I love it. I am doing a demonstration that's going to come out next year, but it's using embroidery and using Aurifil floss, and I have to film it now. And so I told him, look, I don't even care what colors you send me. I will work with whatever you have in stock, so get it out the door. And here it is. It's in this box, and it is going to be just as much of a surprise to you as it is to me. I love it. Okay, here we go. Open up this bad boy. I am so excited. Oh, this is worse than Christmas. You know, those silly gifts or those trick gifts, right? It's 9 boxes and it ends up being socks or mittens. All right, they're really nice mittens. Okay, you ready? What do we have? All right. Oh, the Kogan Essentials. I feel that this is some sort of like IKEA-esque type of word that I'm not going to be able to pronounce properly. But let's see if we can open this up. Is it to slide out? Oh, I'm embarrassed that I'm so stumped by the packaging, y'all. That is humiliating. All right, I'm just doing it this way, and then if I need to retape it, I will. Oh, okay. There it is. Oh, look at that! It has a fancy thing. Look at that. That is super. And I'm making a mess. That's all I can say. Ooh, gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Okay. Here. Oh, and we have. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is going to be awesome because now I can sit and I can decide and look at it. Oh, variegated thread. This is glorious. Hey, honey, I got some new reading material. Okay, it's not exactly reading material, but it is glorious. And I think that is all that's in the box. And extra little stuffies. Okay, so I don't need to worry about keeping the box. But, all right. So for this next project, this is going to be awesome. And it is, oh, I should show you there. It is the Kogan Essentials. Look at that. This third collection. Oh, my. Modern Sashinko. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, so since it's Sashinko, that's my, I may be mispronouncing it. Oh, you guys, this is like an epic mix-up here. Hang on a second. Well, that box opening wasn't embarrassing at all. But here are my goodies. Look at that. This is going to be awesome. I'm going to be able to do so much with this. I'm already picking out from my stash which ones are going to be perfect for this. Very exciting. And so this video series, I will let you know about it. It is going to be coming out in January, and it's a whole new thing, brand new, and I will share all the information, of course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.